Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make tarred fabric in Windrose. Now the first thing that you are going to need is to check over to your journal right now and go over the discovery. At the very least, you need to have unlocked the Cursed Swamp region, because inside here you'll be able to find tar as one of its major discoveries. Now you can unlock this region once you have defeated the local threat over on the foothills named Israel Hands. He is part of the main storyline, so you won't really have a problem in trying to locate him. And once you have defeated him, more than likely, you're going to get a quest on your map that is pretty much pinpointing the location of the Cursed Swamp region. Now for me, it's all the way over here to the southeast from my very first starting island. And the name of that quest is the Forgotten Relics. So once you see this pin on your map and it's on a undiscovered area, then more than likely, that's the Cursed Swamp region. Now for you to be able to make some tarred fabric, you need to make some linen fabric first over on the spinning wheel. And you need to use 3 pieces of flax fiber to make 1 piece of linen fabric. Once you have the linen fabric that you need, over on the tanner rack right over here, you can make some tanned fabric with the use of only 1 linen fabric and 1 piece of tar. And when you're crafting this, it is going to take a moment for it to be completely crafted. And there you go, you finally have your very first tarred fabric. And that's pretty much about it on how to get tarred fabric in Windrose.